facts that are critical to New York City and to New York State. It's also important to understand that at this point in time, given the fact that the federal government has basically closed its doors, all of our lawsuits have been based on states' rights. And I can't believe that I'm saying that, but I'm defending states' rights. And because of because we are a sovereign state, it's really critically important that New York State file its own action to protect the interests of New York State residents and the immigrants who come to our shores. Yes. One second, let me get him and I'll get you next. Yes. At this point in time, I'm just concerned on our litigation that we are filing today. And so when we win this lawsuit, we will, again, worry about their next rule that they put out. But at this point in time, each and every day as I walk into the Office of Attorney General, there is a new rule that they have reversed. And it's unfortunate that we are facing the retrenchment of the federal government from the travel ban now to the public charge. And consistently and repeatedly, we are joining with Democratic Attorney Generals all across this nation, and we're fighting back at every turn. Yes.
So the Congressman, what can Congress do to help out and add some pressure here, practically, before October 31st?
Well, that's a host of issues. First of all, there should be hearings on this immediately to determine the realm of the impact that it will have on America as all states throughout the union. That's the first thing. I think we should really get our hands on the direct impact that it will have on communities economically, how it will hurt the nation. But in addition to that, you know, we are Congress. We are an equal branch of government, and we can legislate and attempt to legislate our way out of this. But this, again, the legal route has been successful in other fights with this White House, and we expect for this to be successful with Tish James, and we're standing fully behind her. I don't know if my colleague wants to say something.
The only thing I would add to that is part of the lawsuit deals with the congressional intent that was put in place with reference to this legislation and how the president is trying to go around that congressional intent. And so you better believe that those of us in Washington will make sure that we are talking about what the congressional intent was to help strengthen this lawsuit so they go into court with the power to know that this individual is trying to get around Article 1 and get around the Congress of the United States of America.
Those of us who are not lawyers, can you tell us legally what needs to happen for this rule not to take effect on October 15th? So what are we expecting in the next few weeks?
So we're expecting a TRO, a stay of this action before October 15th. And we're expecting, again, to litigate the legal claims that have been put forth. We expect a response from the federal government, and each and every argument that we are putting forth, we are again committed to each and every legal claim, and we're confident that we will be successful on each and every legal claim, including due process, equal protection.